Hiccup.
Every morning, Chester sat on the fence and crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" But one morning, all Chester could crow was, "Cock-a-doodle-hiccup! Oh my, oh hiccup!" Chester cried. "I have the hiccups! I can't crow! What am I going to do?" "When I get the hiccups, I hop them out of me," said Hilda Hen. "When I get the hiccups, I roll them out of me," said Prescott Pig. "When I get the hiccups, I scratch them out of me," said Durwood Dog. "I'm too smart to do silly things like that," said Chester. "Then there is only one thing to do," said Clementine Cat. "Someone must scare the hiccups out of you." "No one will ever scare me," said Chester. "I'm too brave." "Too bad," said Clementine. "I guess Farmer Jones will have to get an alarm clock to wake us up in the morning." "What? But I would be out of a job!" cried Chester. He flapped his wings in fright. He ran in circles. Then he noticed his hiccups were gone. "Thank you, Clementine," said Chester.